Good morning from Chalten, the trekking capital of Argentina. We flew into the nearest airport, El Calafate, and took almost a 3-hour ride to here. Patagonia covers Chile and Argentina, and here is Argentina Patagonia. So in total, there's two popular treks here. One is the Fitzroy and one is Laguna Torre. We are going to do the Laguna Torre today, which is supposed to be the easier one. It's 18 kilometers in and out and a 480 meter elevation gain. We haven't even started the trail. We are just walking to the trailhead. And I'm a little bit panting right now. The wind is super strong. There's a slight drizzle. But I guess our trekking in Torres del Paine has trained us a little bit, so it's not too bad. Hopefully, it's going to be a walk in the park for us today. Ken? Yay! There are two trailheads for Laguna Torre. We are at the one that's without the proper signboard. We can see people climbing up. It is 180 meters for the initial part. So we're gonna pace ourselves. Let's go. Now time check. Let me see. Now it's 8:33 a.m. and let's see how long we take to finish this track. It's terrible. I took out my hat because I'm very scared the wind will blow it away. But I'm still standing strong now. I didn't put any gel or wax. This is the pure force of the wind here. The Patagonian wind. Whew. We have climbed about 30 minutes already, mostly uphill climb. Our body has started to warm up, and so we're gonna take out our outer layer. See? Yeah. I'm glad that we have done the Torres del Paine with the guides and have inherited valuable information from there, like layering, then take off, put on is part and parcel of a Patagonia trekking. And then when you do uphill climb, you need to pace yourself, try not to take videos. The key word here is momentum. Yeah! Yeah! I think we are done with the initial 180 meter elevation gain. Right now what we can see are mostly flats and very gentle. So I think we are done. The rest will be very manageable according to the website that I read. There's an uphill climb here, but it's quite a short one, I hope. We took 1.5 hours to reach here. Mirador Cerro Torre. Let me show you the viewpoint. Well, yeah, you can't really see much because it's very cloudy now. Hopefully the clouds will move away from these mountains when we reach the lagoon. So for 1.5 hours we gain 180 meter elevation gain. For the next 6 kilometers, the elevation gain will just be about 100 meters, so it's pretty flat. The toughest should be over. If you want, you can do a 2-day, 1-night camping here. You hike up to Fitzroy and then you camp there. After that, the next day, you'll cut through that intersection to Laguna Torres. It saves you the trouble of hiking in and out of the Chalten town, but it means having to camp out here. I don't wanna. The experience in Torres del Paine is good enough. Usually. are at Laguna Torre right now. It's close to 12 p.m. so we have used close to 3.5 hours to hike here, and we are gonna have our lunch break. Yeah. So we stay in this hotel called Chalten Suites Hotel. Right opposite our hotel is a supermarket, so it's super convenient. We bought ham and cheese yesterday, and we're back it for our lunch today. And I've deliberately booked the deluxe room that comes with a hot tub jacuzzi, so tonight we can use it for massage. Yeah.
大家一直烧水，是不是？
等一下，OK，ready？已经warm inside，
是没有风啊，
没有风啊。
真的。
The wind is freaking big. My hair is damn cold now. We only stayed here for 30 minutes. Yeah, that's it. It's too cold already. I think the wind starts to pick up now. When we want to get off from the top, there's a super strong gust. I'm quite sure it's more than 60 kilometers per hour because I had a very strong wind at Torres del Paine, and the guide say it's about 60 kilometers per hour. Just now that one is definitely much stronger.
Yeah, definitely, because everyone cannot walk at all.
And everyone cannot walk at all. And now the wind is very strong. So we spent 30 minutes at the lagoon. Now we're gonna make our way back to town. So this morning we came by this path. Then now we're going to this path. As we shared earlier on, there's two trailhead. We find that the trail that we took this morning is much easier. It's pretty intense uphill climb, but it's only for like 20 to 30 minutes. After that, it's sort of level out. It's pretty flat. The second one that we took, when we come down, we find that it's quite steep and dangerous. So if you can, use the one we did this morning. That trail you can find the monument of Careless Tracker. So if you Google that, you should be able to find that trail. We use Maps.me. Maps.me show us that trail as well. Okay, I can see the town already. Let me show you.
It's 3:30 now and we finished the trek in 7 hours.
So we went up from that side. There's a little dome there. So from the dome we go up. That's the other trail.